Okay students, in previous class we discussed functional group and homologous series and homologues and common names of the some organic compounds. In this class we are going to discuss the IUPAC system of nomenclature. The IUPAC system of nomenclature we are going to discuss. First, alkanes which does not have branches. Next, alkanes have branches. Next, organic compounds having functional groups. We are going to discuss one by one. First, organic compounds having no branches. Next, organic compounds having branches. Next, organic compounds having functional groups we are going to discuss. Organic compounds, nomenclature of the organic compounds having no branches means straight chains. Okay, see first you have to know CH3. Okay, for example, organic compound CH3, CH2, CH2, then CH, CH2 and CH3. This type of organic compound is given to us. Here CH means Br, here Br, next here alcohol, alcohol, next here CH3, CH3, like this, CH3, like that it is a given. For example, CH3. Okay, this is the organic compound. First of all, you know what is the functional group, what is the branch, and what is the substituent functional group. Okay, it containing, so it is functional group, it is functional group. Okay, it is also functional group. It is also functional group. It is also functional group. Okay, it is a branch. It is a branch. So here alcohol and bromine functional group is there. So on comparing these two functional groups, the priority goes to OH. So it is nothing but a main functional group. Main functional group, which we have to write suffix. It is we have to write in suffix. Okay. So this is a substituent functional group. It is a substituent functional groups, which we have to write prefix. This is a this is a secondary, this is a primary suffix, and it is a secondary suffix. Okay, it is also we have to write in prefix, and this branch also we have to write in prefix. Okay, so it is a substituent. It is a substituent functional group. It is a main functional group, it is a substituent functional group. Okay, it is a substituent functional group, it is a main functional group, it is a branch. So it is how we have to write in suffix. We have to write in suffix. Next, these two we have to write in prefix. It is we have to write in prefix, and this is we have to write in prefix. Okay. So the root word, the suffix we have to write along with the root word. Root word means which tells about number of carbon atom present in the long chain. So root word, it tells about a number of carbon atoms in the carbon compound, number of carbon atoms in the carbon compound. So first of all you have to know a root word. Okay, first of all you have to know root word. So here root word which tells about number of carbon atoms present in the carbon chain, number of carbon atoms. It tells about number of carbon atoms in the carbon chain. In the carbon chain. Okay. So next prefix is two types, primary prefix, secondary prefix. Suffix is two types, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Next you have to know prefix. So prefix is two types. Okay. Next it is primary prefix, and it is secondary prefix. Okay. So next you have to know suffix. Suffix also two types. Okay. It is a primary suffix and it is a secondary suffix. Okay. How these are going to write, I will explain with reference to compounds. So first root word, it tells about number of carbon atoms. Next prefix, prefix is a primary prefix, secondary prefix. Prefix means branches and substituted compounds we may write in primary prefix and secondary prefix. And next suffix means functional groups we have to write in suffix. If the organic compound containing more than one functional group, then main functional group we may write in secondary suffix, and substitute functional group is nothing but we may write in primary suffix. Okay. By using these rules we are going to write nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature of the compounds. In that part first we are going to write nomenclature of straight chain compounds. Nomenclature of alkanes is nothing but a straight chain hydrocarbons. Now we are going to write nomenclature of alkanes. Nomenclature of alkanes means straight chain hydrocarbons. See here, straight chain hydrocarbons. Straight chain hydrocarbons. Okay. If the chain of organic compound containing only one carbon, that can be written as root word is a meth. Only one carbon, root word is a meth. Okay. If the two carbons is present, then root word is a eth. Okay. See here. For example, if one carbon atom is present in the long chain, we may say root word meth. Okay. So example CH4, it is a methane. It is a methane. If two carbon atoms are present, then eth, then C2H6. So name of the molecule we may write ethane. Next, if three carbon atoms are present, that is a prop. So C3H8. So then it is a number of carbon atoms, it is a root word, it is a molecule name of the molecule, it is a formula of the molecule, and it is a name of the molecule. C3H8 means it is a, we may call propane. Okay. If four carbon atoms are present in the long chain, this is a bute. Then C4H10, it is nothing but a butane. Straight chain hydrocarbons having single bond. Okay. C5, it is a pent. Then C5H10, it is nothing but a pentane. Name of the molecule is a pentane. Then C6, like that it is a hex, and C6H12, it is nothing but a hexane. Name of the molecule is a hexane. Name of the molecule we may write a hexane. Then it is a root word. It is a number of carbon atoms. It is a root word. It is a molecule and the name of the molecule. Next, C7, it is a hept. See, root word is a hept. If 7 carbon atoms are present in the chain, then root word is hept. So example C7H14, it is nothing but a heptane. Okay. So here C8 oct. So it is nothing but a C8H16. Then it is nothing but a octane. Octane. If 9 carbon atoms, that is a none. Then C9H18, it is a nonane or nonane. Next, C10, it is nothing but a dec. It is C10H20. Then what happened? C4H10, C5H12, C6H14, C17H16. It is a 18. It is a 20. It is a 22. Okay. So C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10. C4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. It is nothing but a decane. So we may write like this: nomenclature of alkanes which having number of carbon atoms, and it is a root word, it is a molecule, it is a name of the molecule, it is a formula of the molecule, it is a name of the molecule. Okay. Then so nomenclature of the alkanes having branched chain carbons. So it is alkanes. So nomenclature of alkanes, straight chain hydrocarbons, like this we may write. Next, branched chain hydrocarbons. Okay. So here see students, IUPAC system of nomenclature we are discussing. So suppose it is the organic compound which having branch and which having functional group, substituent functional group, and which having main functional group. So like this we may write means so on following these rules we have to write this compound. First you have to know root word. Root word, it tells about number of carbon atoms in the carbon chain. Then it having prefix and suffix. Prefix is two types, primary prefix and secondary prefix, and suffix is two types, primary prefix, primary suffix and secondary suffix. So primary prefix we have to use when it contains branches like fluoro, chloro, next methyl, like these branches we have to always in prefix we have to write. Then suffix, if the organic compound contains more than two functional groups, one functional group can be written as a primary suffix and one more functional group can be written as a secondary suffix along with a root word. So here nomenclature of alkanes, straight chain hydrocarbons we have to discuss. So if the straight chain contains one carbon atom, root word is a meth, then molecule is methane, the formula is CH4 and the molecular name is methane. Like that, if the straight chain carbon compound contains how many carbon atoms are 10, so we may call root word is dec and it is a formula and it is a name. So it is a number of carbon atoms, it is a number of carbon atoms, it is a number, it is a root word, it is a root word, it is a formula, it is a formula, it is a name. It is a name. It is a number of carbon atoms. It is a number of carbon atoms. So this is a number of carbon atoms. It is a number of carbon atoms. It is a root word. It is a formula. It is a name of the molecule. So this is the way we discussed IUPAC nomenclature of the alkanes having straight chain carbons. Next we will discuss branched chains. Next we will discuss branched chains.